Hey guys, I just want to make a very quick video just to say that I'm taking a break, very short break just over the Christmas holidays. It'll be about 3 weeks. I think I'm going to come back around the 5th of January next year, so it shouldn't be too long. And I'm hoping to be able to get videos still uploaded every other day as usual up until that point of me coming back. However, there may be a few missing here and there. I'm hoping not, but I don't know just yet, as I still need to get the videos done. And I'm a little bit under the weather at the moment, which is also why I've not got my camera on, so sorry about that as well. We're going to have some B-roll of UE5, just because why not? But again, I really want to get all these videos done, but I've been very busy with uni, life's got in the way, I'm now also under the weather as I've tried to do these videos. So I hope to get them done, but if not, I'll see you all next year anyway. So again, I'm still trying to get the videos up, so the reason why I'm announcing that I'm taking a break is just because I'm not going to be as active on the Discord or in the YouTube comments anymore until I make my return. Now obviously I've not been very active too recently anyway, again that's just because of how busy I've been with uni and everything, so I'm hoping to be able to be more active back in those soon, but obviously we'll have to see how everything goes. But yeah, again, just a quick video to announce that I'm taking a break and I'll be back soon, but thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all when I return.